Hey guys, when you think about skateboarding, you probably imagine this. Cool, right? But if you're a beginner, your reality is more like this. That's okay. Everyone starts like that. In this video, I'm going to show you the first tricks that really make a difference when you're starting out. No messing around and without breaking your arm. In this video, we're going to explore the first tricks every beginner needs to learn. And no, we're not going to jump straight into the flip twist 900 with nose grab. The idea here is to understand the basics, like learning to walk before you run. Let's start with the Ollie. Ollie ready? Let's debunk the myth and get started for real.
Place your back foot on the tail, right on the tip, ready to make that snap. This foot will be the one that pulls the skateboard upwards.
With your back foot, you Ollie press the tail against the ground forcefully until it hits. This is the poppy, the classic skateboarding sound that sounds like a gunshot. This is what will lift the front of your board. While the tail hits, the front foot makes a dragging motion as if you wanted to clean the board with the ball of your foot. This movement is what makes the skateboard rise, glued to your foot. This is where the magic happens. Now, you need to jump with both feet. The jump is what gives the skateboard room to lift. Try to keep both feet level on the bolts. This gives more stability, and when you fall back to the ground, crouch a little. This absorbs the impact and prevents you from flying backward. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because in the next videos we are going to move beyond Ollie and start playing around with tricks that look like they are from another planet. Let us evolve together. We're in this together.